I thought it wasn't going to fit, but it turned out to be the perfect size. Team Fullest, this is your Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My canal. So if you guys watched my last vlog, I told you guys I pick up some shoes for the girls, just a token of appreciation from me. So they were like, okay, since we're going to church, can we just wear our new shoe to church? I was like, okay, no problem. Actually, I wanted to pick both of them the same shoe. I saw this really nice Dr. Martin shoe that I really like. It looked like a loafers, but it's different for kids, and I wanted to pick both of them the same pair. But Josephine was like, no, just give me something different, because I know this one that Aliyah has is not going she's not going to be wearing it for a very long time, because it's going to be tight for her, and I'm going to be the one to take over. The way this girl is happy and excited when her elder sister stuff doesn't fit her anymore, and she is the one that's going to take over. The way she's looking forward for these things is crazy. Sometimes she will randomly call her elder sister, be like, Aliyah, come, let's open your clothes, your wardrobe. Let's look the thing that doesn't fit anymore. We can put it in my own wardrobe. So she will say it in Dutch. Laten we even jouw kledingkast sorteren. Dingen die jou niet meer past, kan ik het overnemen. So she will actually do that all the time. So she was like, just get me a different shoe, because I know Aliyah is not going to be wearing this shoe for a very long time, and I'm going to take over, and I don't want to have the same pair of shoes. So I got her the one from Mango. It's the Mango Kids. The Mango Kids collection. So that shoe is really nice. A really nice loafer. So I got her that one, and I got Aliyah this one from Dr. Martin, and she really loved it. At first, I felt like it wasn't going to fit, because Dr. Martin's shoes can be a little bit tricky sometimes with the size. So I got her size 35. I thought it wasn't going to fit, because normally she puts on 34, but because Dr. Martin's shoes sometimes are on the smaller size, so I decided to go a size up. I got her size 35, and it fit her perfectly, and there's not even a lot of space. And yeah, she really loved it. Josephine also loved her own shoe. I really love both of the shoes. They look really nice, and they were really happy. And Aliyah ended up wearing the shoe with her new outfits we also pick up from the TK Maxx, and they were really happy. That's the most important thing.